Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aisha. You can follow me on Instagram at Aisha Hair Nails, where I go live and show you my work. And I am licensed to slay. Okay, this is an unboxing of my new treats from Melodysusie, and here we go. As you can see, we're just unboxing. I'm just looking at the video now. Um, I really did like the way they packaged this, and this was the first thing that came. And we're just gonna hurry up and get right into the video. This is the only talk over part of the video again, guys. I hope you enjoy. I love my nails. And I have to fix my thumb. Just putting that out there because you will see it. But we're going to be doing some cat eye magnet gels from Soul Link, and I don't see anyone doing a review on it, so we're going to be doing that. But this video is about Melodysusie. I have a lot of Melodysusie products. I believe in Melodysusie. She is he, she, whoever's behind the brand. I'm keeping that in because I'm just like, hey, they are amazing. And this blow dryer is top notch. It's supposed to be very fast. Enjoy, guys. Thank you. Hello, everyone. How are you today? This is my Melodysusie package. Um, I did a shorts on the unboxing, and I wish everyone a happy new year. And we're going to get into this. Let's get this out first, guys, before we start talking, right? All right. So, how about we start with the good part, guys? The best part, huh? All of Melodysusie products, I 10 out of 10 recommend. I use their dust collector and nail drill. And this is a nail drill right here, guys. This is the Melodysusie Make Beauty Anew Smart. That is so cute. Make Beauty Anew Smart. This is their new branding. It's the Atena. I feel like that's how you say it. The Atena Cordless Nail Drill. Right? So fun. So let's see. Wow, beautiful, guys. And we got it in the color purple. And I really was wanting a handheld drill. So let's see how this is feeling. Nice. It's nice and weighted, so you really shouldn't get any kickback. Let's see if it's charged. No, guys, unfortunately, we have to charge it. And here we go. Look at that. So you have your locked and your reverse. Here's the charger, a medium ceramic drill bit, and some diamond bits. Nice and easy, and you can turn the modes. And you have, of course, I'm guessing that's how you turn it up or down. And yes, so I just took the little thing out of it. I forgot to put it back on lock. There we go. So I hope you guys are excited. I don't know. I'm just like, ah. And so I got this as well to fit it. And I had to get the large one because I don't think this would have fit this one. Which I'm happy. So I need to go off and what's the word? Charge this. So we also have the Melodysusie nail art brushes. You can never get enough nail art brushes. Never ever. But I remember these are my acrylic ones. So again, this is going to help me with my acrylic nail art, guys. Let's see. Okay. So these are really nice. They're really, ooh, really pretty. But yeah, so these are for more of acrylic and 3D effects. And you know, just filling in things acrylic wise. These are really nice brushes. And so that is it, guys. We have some cat eye gel polishes coming soon. Thank you for watching. All right. Um, if you'd like to see more, guys, just leave a like and comments. Bye bye.